In this video, we'll show you how to completely replace the windshield cowl, which is this part here, whether it's for aesthetic or functional reasons. It can make a big difference visually, although before replacement, try using Trim Restorer, which makes it look like almost new. Anyways, let's get started with the actual replacement. $10mm T25, 10mm. On the right side, I'm missing that. Oh well. $13mm. Also, don't forget to lower it. If there are no tools here, you can lift them up and try prying them off. I'm wiggling them loose, they might be stubborn. Mine wiggled loose, and this can be a tricky one. You might have to play with the bonnet being open and closed. And it pops off. At the base. Rivet 1, Rivet 2. I'm using one of these tools. Simply press it in under that thing. There we go. There's also another little thing that pops out. It accidentally popped out. This guy. That's the other part. You can just pull it out. You might have different coax connections going on here. I have a pretty simpler model. Previously installed antennas, but I made sure the wires were out of the way. For those connections under this on the left, there are 3 connectors here, and those you do a firm squeeze on the side. Might be a little challenging. Squeezing on the top here. Squeezing on the end here. Now there are 2 windshield washer power connectors. Are pretty simple to disconnect. That should have been grooved onto this old thing here. Screwdriver should come off. Pops out. Do the same on the other. Pops right out. There's a T-junction for the washer fluid here that we disconnect. This might spill the washer fluid. Simple old one. Press it. Now finagling this out might be tricky because there are connectors on the left that stay in, and the hood has to come up and down. And carefully open it, being careful not to press it while it opens. To transfer them over. Mine, the windshield washer stuff is taken care of. And we have plugs on the new one as well, so that's no problem. We just connect the T. And then this thing will transfer over to the new one. And I don't know what this does, but we'll transfer it over too. Easy. And then adhesive. Okay, it's held on with super glue, and the Torx screw is back up for if it falls off, I'll hear the rattling inside. So for installing the windshield wipers, nub over there, I've already installed the side nut bolts things, and for missing hardware, I've used self-fastening washers. And for the windshield, the front needs to be closed, at least for the right windshield wiper. And with it closed, and install the nut.